How to log in or sign in Yahoo Mail account. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. In order to log in or sign in into a Yahoo Mail, open up your Play Store or App Store in your device. Firstly, search for Yahoo Mail. Tap on it to open or update if you have not updated it yet. To log in into Yahoo Mail, it is pretty simple. Since I'm already logged in, I'll just tap on the user icon to add a new account. For the safety reason, I was not allowed to screen record this process. However, I will navigate through the process for you. So firstly, you need to enter an email address to link along to your Yahoo Mail. Once you do this, you need to enter your phone number so that it can send you with a verification code. You can enter the OTP code that is given to you and just enter it to verify yourself. Now, to add more personal details of your account, you need to enter your date of birth along with the address. Once your profile setup is complete, you will get yourself your very own Yahoo Mail account. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.